Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to use Mermaid in Microsoft Loop. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Over here, search for Microsoft Loop. Then open the official Microsoft Loop website. After that, click on Sign In. Over here, log in using your Microsoft account. Then, once you're signed in, open an existing page. After that, or create a new page where you want to add the diagram. Over here, click on the page. Then type / to open the component menu. After that, in the search bar, type Mermaid. Over here, click on the Mermaid component. Then the Mermaid editor will appear with sample code. After that, edit or replace the code with your own Mermaid code. Over here, once the code is added, the diagram will render automatically. Then make changes to the code if needed to update the diagram. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.